Let's test the speed. First, on Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi speed test, but wait until I plug in the LAN cable. Okay, we saw the result. Ever wondered how much faster your internet gets on wired? Let's compare Wi-Fi versus Type-C LAN adapter speed. The results will surprise you. This is why I stopped using Wi-Fi for speed tests. Now I'm connecting a Type-C LAN adapter. Let's run the test again. Watch how the internet speed changes when I switch from Wi-Fi to LAN cable. Wow, huge difference. Wired connection wins every time. And the best part? With this adapter, you can also connect a keyboard and mouse. Super convenient for work, gaming, and everyday use. If this video was helpful for you, make sure to subscribe to our channel to discover more amazing life hacks in the next videos.